Honey needed a little help today. Thank you, Steve from Adventures in Arizona. Roy, I think, stopped and Honey went down into the ground. Roy could fill you in better than I can. Yep.
Perfectly level. Level right there. Thank you.
It's raining. Alright. We gotta get her moved to her spot. Later. Let's see.
This time we're actually stuck.
And Roy did it again.
I didn't do it the first time. We weren't stuck. We were just parked. This time we're stuck.
I'm not getting close to that.
Be right there.
It's doing that again. No, you're still in the mud, Roy. That was the rock I saw. A rock? I think so. Hold on. There's a rock. There'd be a rock under there. Yeah, I think you're wedged on it, honey.
Yeah, we probably should jack it up and roll.
Big rock. Roy decided to go up over it. Alright, I'm getting back in case you sling mud.
Oh, it was like a mud box.
Say hi, everybody. Let's see if Roy can get undone now. There. We got water up in there or something for it to do that. It's never done that.
Something.
All the water.
Bobby don't want to do anything on video. That's what it is. You know what?
What? Steve?
me unhook you real quick.
Yeah, it's never done this.